So here's a quick explainer video just to explain how to use the hob during your stay at Hazeleigh. So when you come to use the hob, the first thing to make sure is that it's switched on at the mains. If you go to the left of the hob, you'll see this switch here. You need to make sure that that's switched on and it's lit up, and if it is, then the hob should work perfectly. So how to operate the hob, let's use the top right hand ring as an example. What you would need to do is you'd need to depress the button and move it around to its highest setting, hold it down for a few seconds and then release, and you'll find that it's left there on the highest heat setting. You can then control it down to its lowest setting or wherever you need it to go in order to cook your food. When you've finished with the hob and you want to switch it off, just simply turn it back round to 0 and it will go out again. So you'll notice that in the drawers underneath the hob, you've got some pots and pans here available for you to use, steamers, frying pans, woks, etc. So just feel free to take what you need. We also have some cooking utensils here for your use just to the right of the cooker. Please also make use of these trivets. We've left them here because the work surface is not heat proof. So to avoid any damage to the work surface, please use the trivets. And that completes the video and shows you how to use the hob. Thank you very much.